All right, this time we're on practice 4-4B on the back in the preview 4-5 section. We're going to use the same idea as we use with proportion word problems to figure out missing side lengths in similar figures. So what I like to do is first set up some highlighting so I can see which sides correspond to each other. And I know in this case I have to use this 24 because it corresponds to the unknown side that they're asking me about. So those two I'm going to put in the same color. I'm going to pick another color to use for any other pair of corresponding sides where I know all the measurements. So I'm going to go with this left side. 14 corresponds with 35. If I'd chosen the bottom, I should still get the same answer, but we only need 2 pairs. And then I'm going to set up a ratio. I just have to make sure I'm consistent. So I'm going to start with words. I like to go small triangle to big triangle, or left to right on whatever's here. So I'm going to call this small and large. You could also go blue side, yellow side, and you will get the same result. So we're going to set up our ratio as small triangle to large triangle. And we're going to look at corresponding sides. So we want to make sure we make a ratio where we're looking at just yellow sides from the small triangle to the large triangle. So if we do that, you get that the small side in the small triangle's yellow side is 24. The large triangle's yellow side is X. And then we want to do the same thing with the blue sides. So blue sides, and we're going to go small triangle and then large triangle. So blue side on the small triangle is 14. Blue side on the large triangle is 35. And once you set up that ratio, it's just solving like we've been doing. You're going to get 14x for that cross product, and your other cross product is going to be 24 times 35, which is 840. Then to solve your equation, you're going to divide each side by the coefficient of 14. Now we have just x. And we get 60. Since all the units given were in feet, that side length is also in feet. So the unknown side here is 60 feet.